Confessions 13. This then, my God, is how I interpret your scripture when I read the words, "In the beginning God made heaven and earth. The earth was invisible and without form, and darkness reigned over the deep." Scripture does not say on which day you made them, and I understand the reason for this to be that heaven here means the heaven of heavens, that is, the intellectual heaven, where the intellect is privileged to know all at once, not in part only, not as if it were looking at a confused reflection in a mirror, but as a whole, clearly, face to face. Not first one thing and then another, but as I have said, all at once, quite apart from the ebb and flow of time. And earth means the invisible, formless earth, also unaffected by the ebb and flow of time, which always marks the change from this to that, since where there is no form, there can be no this and no that. These, then, are the heaven and earth that are meant, as I understand it, when the scripture says, "In the beginning God made heaven and earth," without mention of day. Heaven, that is the heaven of heavens, which was given form from the very beginning, and earth, that is earth invisible and without order, which was utterly formless. In fact, the scripture explains in the very next sentence what earth is meant by this. And since it says that on the second day the firmament was made and that it was called heaven, it gives us to understand which heaven was meant by the first sentence, which makes no mention of days.